Greetings from Max Muniz. Hi, myself Alka Sharma. I am the career counselor of Max Muniz. Today, I am going to explain few things on AWS training job support for corporate and individual project support for corporate and job support for individual via or AWS freelancers or agency. We are 15 years old company. Maxmin is one of the best online AWS job support company. Whether implementing new products or upgrading your current environment, Maxminus can provide remote AWS job support for the functional and technical aspects of your project. We ensure your project's success at a lower cost than having an on-site consultant and without the skill gap. Time zone and communication issued experienced when offshoring project role more efficient and cost-effective service from dedicated AWS freelancers who know your business and your systems. Hire AWS freelancers for implementation consulting and outsource of AWS projects. Hire AWS freelancers and get AWS freelancer support from 1 hour to 1 year contract assignment. Hire AWS freelancers for implementation and outsourcing projects and they will deliver project on time, within budget, with a high level of quality and meeting the customer's current and future challenges. Outsource AWS work and our exclusively SME work closely with your business to ensure you get the most out of your IT solutions, offering system implementation solutions, resources, and training. Moving on to the next, we have agenda, introduction, flexible packages, features and benefits, consulting range, and why Max Muniz. We will be covering these things in this session. AWS freelancers for AWS support. If you are working on AWS products and facing any problem while working on it and you want to outsource AWS projects, then MaxMinus is just a call or email away to provide AWS help. We provide AWS online job support for professionals to help them perform their tasks on AWS products. We have a wide range of AWS subject matter experts, highly experienced professional trainer having at least 12 to 15 years of relevant experience in this field. They are certified and have done 10 to 15 implementation projects. They exclusively work with us as AWS freelancers. We provide AWS job support to individual as well as corporate clients. For individual, we provide AWS freelancers who will do AWS job support or AWS project support in their project remotely via online. For corporate clients, we provide AWS freelancers who provide project support for their IT projects. Our AWS freelancers can provide end-to-end AWS project support as well as AWS implementation support. AWS freelancers are available in your time zone, can be from USA, UK, India, Europe, etc. Process we follow. The process we follow for our online AWS job support services: we receive your inquiry for AWS online job support. We will arrange a conference call with our consultant to understand your complete requirement and the tools you are using. If our consultant is 100% confident in taking up your requirements and when you are also comfortable with our consultant, then only we will agree to provide services and you have to make the payment to get the service from us. We will fix the timing for the AWS job support or AWS help us mutually agreed by you and our consultant. We have a wide range of AWS consultants available who can provide end-to-end complete AWS implementation support in your projects in your specified time duration. The best part with us is that you just need to share your requirement with us and the rest all will be done by Maximinus and your project starts. On next, we have flexible packages. The flexible packages are like this: paper ticket, paper hour, paper month, and emergency support plan. Our website is considered as the best AWS job support company and the best website to hire AWS freelancers. We have designed some very flexible plan which will help the employee to find hire AWS freelancers as per their need. Even AWS implementation support in highly complex projects is also available. Paper ticket. If you have any technical issue in your job and you want to take AWS support to solve those issues, then you can raise a ticket by contacting us by either email or phone. So this plan is for those who want our service on a ticket basis. Paper hour. If you have some technical issue in your job and you want to AWS help from us, then our experts for continuous guidance in solving the issue, then you can optimize for this hourly plan. Take online job support for required hours and pay only for those hours consumed. Pay per month. If you have some major technical issue in your job and you need AWS help, then our expert provide continuous guidance in solving all the issues and you can optimize for this monthly plan. Take online AWS job support for the whole 1 month and get smooth AWS freelancer support for the complete month. Discuss issues wherever it arises. We will provide step-by-step AWS installation guide and we will help you to complete your project well in time. Emergency support plan. If you are looking for some immediate solutions in solving any issue, then this plan is best for you. Get AWS job support immediately. Our expert will be available on an immediate basis to solve your query. On next, we have features and benefits. Customize AWS freelancer services for individual as well as corporate. It will be smoother flow of project with us and you will be able to do 24/7 tracking of AWS projects. It will be ultimate cost effective solution. As we have 15 years of experience, we are quality capable handling with data and security challenges. Next, AWS projects consulting range. MaxMinus provides customized AWS job support services remotely via online for individual candidates and corporate clients. MaxMinus is considered as best freelances AWS consulting company and the best AWS implementation support partner for its clients. MaxMinus has expertise in all products of IBM, Oracle, Microsoft, all ERP, supply chain, cloud, etc. In all the above mentioned companies' products, you can confidently outsource AWS project to us. We can support you from 1 hour work to 1 year contractual work. Functional and technical application consultants for resolving issue, application support resources for coordinating issues across other teams, technical consulting including application database administrator and project managers to provide overall management of your projects. Our freelancers AWS crew has deep expertise in products and solutions and has the ability to implement complex solutions and provide post-implementation projects support and across anywhere in the world. Some of the area are mentioned below. Project management, project quality assurance development, process optimizations and system optimization, workforce system optimization, implementation and post-implementation support. And next are dreams. Hire AWS freelancers for implementation consulting and outsource of project. As you know, we have a wide range of AWS subjects matter experts. They exclusively work with us as AWS freelancers. We provide AWS project support to individual as well as corporate clients. For individual, we provide AWS freelancers who will do AWS job support or AWS project support in their project remotely via online. For corporate clients, we provide AWS freelancers who provide project support for their IT projects. Our AWS freelancers can handle end-to-end AWS implementation as well as AWS project support. Hire AWS freelancers and get AWS freelancer support from 1 hour to 1 year contract assignment. Hire AWS freelancers for implementation and outsourcing projects, and they will deliver projects on time, within budget, with a high level of quality, and meeting the customer current and future challenges. Outsource AWS work and our exclusively SME work closely with your business to ensure you get the most out of your IT solutions, offering system, implementation solution, resources, and training. Best website to find and hire AWS freelancers. AWS Introduction. Certification is matter of demonstrating your skills and establishing your credibility. Achieving traditional could open door to get heavily involved in AWS related projects or present to client as a credible subject matter expert. Of course, if you are job hunting, just having AWS certified on your CV won't get you hired, but it could help you get your past various gatekeepers and into an interview room. Businesses don't always have an easy way to testing the competition of job applicant. Also, they may be sifting through tons of CVs. So, having the certification certainly get you the wanted attention. An extra bonus is the swag you receive from AWS summits and conferences, although I am not sure I can justify that as a reason to get certified. Does having an AWS certification guarantee you more money is question you may be asking. Now this is a very difficult to comment on, but this year Forbes report which revealed the highest paying certification in the US list AWS as a number one. Max Munis AWS support. Max Munis is AWS project consultant company. AWS project support for corporate and job support for individual via AWS freelancers for AWS implementation. AWS freelancers hire AWS freelancers and get online AWS job support from 1 hour to 1 year contract assignment. Outsource AWS projects and our exclusive SME work closely with your business to ensure you get the most out of your IT solutions, offering system, implementation, solution, resources, and training. Talking about AWS projects, Consulting Max Munoz is a 15-year-old trustworthy AWS project consulting company. We have received excellent feedback and appreciation from our corporate clients throughout the globally get customized AWS job support to individual in their projects. AWS support for corporate. We have customized AWS project support as per company's AWS project requirement. Companies will be having flexibility or choose location mode. On-site and online, we will arrange professional as per their requirement. Companies will have flexibility to select AWS freelancers from a pool to a professional subject matter experts. Our industry specified subject matter expert will provide excellent help in AWS implementation and consulting. We will help companies and their employee to start working on the projects from day one. AWS support benefits for individual person. Customize support as individual AWS project requirement get complete AWS job support. We will help employee to start working on the projects from day one on AWS projects. Flexibility to choose a schedule and work and learn on AWS projects as per individual requirement. We will arrange industry-specified subject matter experts to provide AWS job support for your AWS projects. We will provide step-by-step progress assessment of your AWS projects. AWS market opportunity. Let's talk about current AWS market opportunity. I have written top best job sites for USA, UK, Europe, and India. You can apply and get AWS job across the globe. And wherever you stuck in projects, we are there with you. Hire AWS freelancers and get customized job support from online or remotely. These all are our clients. AWS support across global. Max Minus have successfully conducted 10,000 plus freelancers AWS support for implementation and outsourcing projects for individual and corporate clients. Get AWS support across for global Bangalore, India, Finland, Hyderabad, Sweden, Germany, USA, Austria, Ireland, Netherlands, Canada, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Oman, Denmark, Hong Kong, Poland, Spain, UK, Russia, China. Why Max Munis? One of the biggest challenge why big IT projects are not shared on freelancing sites it that most of the time the relevant set of IT skill professional is not available to work as a freelancers. Max Munis is considered the best freelancer AWS consulting company. Max Munis has the expertise on all products of IBM, Oracle, Microsoft, all ERP, supply chain, cloud, etc. AWS as well. Step by step AWS guide and solution on all tickets of above mentioned companies and their products. Hire AWS freelancers online or subject matter experts after seeing the review will not be a great idea when it comes to IT projects because all projects are time bound. Hence, we provide complete customized solutions to you. We will arrange a video conference call with the subject matter experts. The client can call with the subject matter expert. The client can discuss everything with him. Once the client gets satisfied regarding the expertise of the subject matter experts or expert AWS freelancers, then only he needs to pay. If anything goes wrong, an immediate replacement will be provided by Max Munoz at no cost. The money will be released to AWS freelancers or subject matter experts at various level of project completion after approval from the client. Conclusion. AWS support. On concluding, I may say that we will help you with below mentioned details. Hire AWS freelancers and get online AWS job support from 1 hour to 1 year contract assignment. Customize AWS support as per company's AWS project requirement. Industry specified senior subject matter experts will be arranged who know your AWS project well in advance and have done very good implementation project on the same. Outsource AWS projects and our exclusive SME work closely with your business to ensure you get the most out of your IT solutions. Offering system, implementing solutions, resources and training. Customize AWS support for individual for AWS job support in their AWS projects. For any more further information or if you want to enroll with us for AWS job support session, one can definitely reach us through these numbers below. Please note down all the contact numbers we have ever reachable in WhatsApp in these numbers mentioned here, and one can even drop a mail in this given mail ID. It's contact@maxmunis.com, and one can easily reach us by clicking on the URL given in the description box. One can even reach us by dropping a message in our live chat box here, and the concerned person will immediately get back to you and solve all your queries regarding the training session. So, for an excellent career growth in AWS, do join us now. I hope you will definitely love and enjoy the entire AWS job support session with Max Minus. Candidate satisfaction is our main responsibility. Thank you.